Okay, I survived a disaster.
Yes, right. I want to do this though. Hey, tell me why I went through a lot. I'm going to share with you at the end of this video, but this is me just breaking everything down. Overall, I'll just share now how my sales were. Sales were good. I made some good money just from people purchasing my products, which was really kind. The people beside me were selling bread, which is so cool. They were selling some really nice San Francisco inspired bread, which is so funny because I'm moving to San Francisco so soon. So it's so cool that they brought that up. And y'all, this blue little thing worked. Like, I didn't know it would be cute, but it was getting a little cold, so I put this blue little shirt on and I like it. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this all went. Honestly, I survived. My tent was a hot mess. Like, this tent, y'all, oh my God, story time coming very soon within the next few seconds. Like, the tent broke on me. It's called Quick Tent, so never get a tent from Quick Tent. Yeah, that was crazy. Highly alarming how the tent, like, failed me today. And here I am just breaking down everything at noon. As you can see, it was overcast, but as we were breaking everything down, it became sunny. I was like, why wasn't it sunny before? So, yeah, I'm just breaking everything down. The girl beside me was amazing as well. Oh, my God, she sells recycled jewelry. So, basically, she takes reusable items, like plastic items, and makes jewelry out of them, which is super cool. I'm not a jewelry person. I don't wear any jewelry at all. So, that's why I didn't buy any. But if not, I would have just bought it because I just love her. She's so sweet. But, yeah, I'm just breaking everything down. I realized it was super windy, so I decided to only record just a little bit. But as you can see, I could just go straight to my car, boom, 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 so I didn't do anything too fast. But I'm just curious, like, how does she fit? That girl, that silver car right there, she had 3 tables in it. I'm like, how did she fit 3 tables in there? That was so cool. But yeah, here I am. Maybe that truck is also hers. I don't know. But here I am just breaking everything down, guys. I'll show you the full setup as well in this video. But overall, this is a good market. This is my 5th market this summer. I made like, it was like medium sales. It was not as many as I'm used to, but it was because the guy to my right said there were a lot of events going on. But yeah, I'll let you know how it all went. Hey guys, oh my God, I missed you. I haven't done any vlogs or anything this week. How are you? I hope y'all feel amazing. It's freaking Sunday. I don't even know how this happened. I stopped vlogging like on Saturday of last week, which is very rare for me. But I have been partnering with a few brands on some dedicated videos, and I was working on editing those and getting those out, as well as who knows what else I was doing. I was doing a lot of things that didn't require the vlogging. But yeah, I didn't vlog. It's weird. But you guys saw I went live yesterday and shared all about the farmers market, or I just was live on the farmers market. But I'm super excited today. I'm going to share all about the farmers market through a sit down video. We had to pack an order. My girl Sharika in Fort Mill, South Carolina, just placed an order for honey vanilla candle, so I'm gonna pack that. Before that, I do need to go to Target. I ordered a drive up for Target, so I'm gonna go pick that up. And yeah, after I pick that up, I want some wine. I'm just in the mood for wine. I don't know. After a farmer's market, I usually get alcohol, but yesterday after the farmer's market, I just fell asleep. So I didn't get anything. And I don't drink a lot. I drink like once every 3 or 4 weeks. Plus, we didn't have our live on Friday, and I love drinking with y'all. So I'm gonna drink with y'all on this video, and I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm about to put on my shoes, get in the car, and maybe you guys can come with me to Target. I never take y'all anywhere. Y'all just be in my campus studio. And then y'all like, girl, this is ghetto. You never take us anywhere. Okay, mission complete. Turn off the security thing. So now we're just gonna drive to Target and talk. Oh my God, I missed y'all so much. I can't believe I figured out a way. Oh my God, why is everyone coming this way? Oh, no way it is. That's really dramatic. I can't believe I figured out a way to set you guys up on the tripod without a car thing. I don't have a car mount. And y'all are like mounted. I feel blessed. Hold on. Ooh, that's a nice red car. I just saw a red car. Ooh, and I saw angel numbers 111. So I've been looking into angel numbers because y'all know I gave up, like, it's a cute dog falling on the ground. But yeah, y'all know I gave up all this stuff, the law of attraction stuff. Why is it dark now? Like, my camera has been trolling me. What the fuck? Why is it black dark? Like, and the light isn't helping. I'm gonna have to stop right here and figure my camera out. And I'm keeping this in the video so y'all can know. Shit just be hard for us. It's hard out here for a pimp. Why? Okay, so my camera fell and then I adjusted it and somehow my mic got unplugged. So the rest of this vlog is literally muted. I'm so depressed. But overall, I'm still going to make the best of it and share with you guys my experience. So here's me just driving to Target, and I was just telling you all about my understanding of, moving and how I'm solidifying this decision and just getting it out of the way. I'm super excited to move. I've never done anything like this. This is a big leap. So you guys are going to be going along with me on this journey of shipping my items. I don't know if I want to take large items or if I just want to sell everything large and then just ship little things, like ship some clothes, boxes of clothes. You could put it in a big box and then put a shipping label on it and ship it to your new address. Things like that, because I think I want to buy new things just in San Francisco. If you didn't know, I never share with you all anything about my home decor, but I'm obsessed with grays. So I want to take everything gray and white and do that for my house. I'm super excited to do that. But yeah, this is just depressing because there was so much footage here that I'm just going to cut out because it was all on mute. Okay, my camera's acting up. But yeah, we're at Target. It's Sunday. I didn't even realize drive up would be so slammed because it's Sunday. Okay, so I'm at space number 2. So you have to say you're on your way. Actually, I forgot. I didn't do that. It's so weird, you guys. Ooh, you guys are fast. I know, right? I'm on space number 2. And I'm so thirsty, guys. Like, I need some water and wine. Okay, so I just pop the trunk, and they're gonna say, show your code. I have a code. I'm gonna show them my code. I'm gonna just get off the brake because it's never that deep. Okay, let's see how fast they show up. When I got home, it went back on mute, which is super sad, but I'm just trying to, deal with that in my life. But y'all, I have a San Francisco shirt on too. I was just in theme. But I just bought some Gain, from Target, Drive Up, some Lysol, some pumpkin tree hut scrub. You should definitely try that. It's so good. It smells so good. And yeah, I love how when you do Target Drive Up, you get free items. So they sent me a free magic eraser, which is super good. I was telling you guys about green tea, the benefits of green tea, and the fact that my stomach stays flat because I drink green tea every morning. So I definitely recommend drinking green tea every morning. I got some charcoal crest soap or toothpaste that I recommend because it helps your teeth stay white because it's charcoal. It's the best of the best. And they gave me some free samples of wine discount. So I would recommend Target, Drive Up. It's not sponsored, but get your Target Drive Up. I got some Nutella too, and I got some red wine, and I got some sparkling, water because I'm a cereal girl. Okay, here I packed an order on camera, but I did it with a story time. I was eager to chat with you guys, but the mic was wrong again. I should have checked the mic, but what are the odds that the mic stops working? It's very rare if something's plugged in, it stops working. But I guess you have to be double checking. But here I was just chatting about the market and how amazing it was. Honestly, my experience was a 10 out of 10, just as it relates to the people around me. Typically, you will think strangers are just out for themselves, but people will notice that you need help and just rise to the occasion. My tent broke, guys. My tent completely broke at the market. And this guy beside me, this is God. He had a screwdriver with him. So he just pulled like a pocket screwdriver. Pulled out a pocket screwdriver, unscrewed some screws, and we got the legs going. We got our things going. Everything was rolling. And just from there, I was so fortunate to have so many sales. Everybody loves sweater weather. I'll link it down below, but you need to buy sweater weather if you haven't gotten it already. It is an amazing best-selling scent from Hive and Honey, amazing company. They do the best cost. You can look up any cost in comparison to Hive and Honey. Hive and Honey has a better cost, and the scents are so amazing, and they're still toxin free and phthalate free and good for the environment. And I sold out all of the large candles, the medium candles, and the small ones. So that was so exciting. But yeah, I really wish I brought more, because there was nothing worse than people walking up and saying, "Oh, your table smells good," because I was burning sweater weather, and people were like, okay, so your table smells good. Can I have the candle that you're burning?" I'm like, "I sold out." So it was a horrible feeling. But yeah, overall, I did really well with the market. Recommend definitely getting an email from every person who walks up to your table, guys. Get an email. It makes a huge difference as it relates to your marketing for the week. And also make sure that you try not to give out too many business cards. Make people follow you on social media. I did a few TikToks as well that I'll insert here.
I will never change. Never, ever.
Why do you deny yourself heaven?
Each time when I come here, I am abused.
Yeah, I was inspired because the girl right beside me had motivated me to actually film that. She was like, "Oh, I love that you have a YouTube channel, Instagram." I was like, "Oh my God, wow, people actually care about my social media. Maybe I should take TikTok serious too." So I decided to start taking TikTok serious. If you haven't noticed, you'll see a lot of shorts on my YouTube now, but they're all from TikTok. So I just want to motivate y'all to get on your Zoom at 10. You need to do TikToks. They are a game changer, okay? So that was the end of this vlog. I did grab some wine because your girl had a long week, but I definitely want to say stay tuned for all the videos next week. We have a lot of promotions just as it relates to bettering your business and then giving you insight into better marketing. I'd also recommend, if you haven't already, grab the Ultimate Candle Making Survival Guide. It is going back to full price very soon just because the holiday season is coming up, which is typically when I bring it back to the normal price. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour, just living your purpose and love life. Okay, bye.